Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, all of ladies and gentlemen. Islamic financial institutions are one of the sectors that have stronger resilience in the face of crisis. The strongest resilience is due to the values possessed by Islamic economics, including the values of justice, balance, and transparency. It is hoped that the Islamic economy and financial institutions can be present and offer solutions for national economic resilience in the midst of the current COVID-19 pandemic. Also, we know one of Islamic financial institutions are Sharia Bank. Sharia Bank is a bank that carries out activities based on Sharia principles or Islamic legal principles regulated in MUI Fatwa and carry out functions such as Baitul Mal institutions. Islamic Bank is mainly interested by the people of Indonesia. This is because Islamic banking is considered very promising and not detrimental to its customer. Besides that, future prospects are also considered clear and not disappointing. So that the mergers, the role of banking Sharia is increasingly urgent for the people of Indonesia. What is Sharia Bank? Sharia Bank, based on Article 1, Paragraph 1 of Law Number 2001 of 2008, Sharia Bank is everything related to Islamic banks and Sharia business units, including institutions, business activities, as well as methods and processes in carrying out their business activities. Sharia Bank is a bank that carries out its business activities based on Sharia principles and according to its type consists of Sharia commercial banks and Sharia people's financing banks. The principle of profit sharing, prioritizing the values of togetherness, ukhuwah, and avoiding speculative elements in every transaction is a system implemented by Islamic banking. Product development is make improvements and produce new products that are different from existing products. Product development is basically efforts made to improve existing products or types of products that do not yet exist. According to Sundang P. Syagian, product development is an effort to attract customers to buy and use the new products produced by the company. Product innovation is the key for Islamic banking to be more useful, competitive, and develop more quickly according to the needs of the people. Product innovation should be a priority strategy for Islamic banks because innovation has an important role in reaching and controlling the ever-changing market. For these reasons, the Islamic banking industry is required to develop, be creative, and innovate new products. There are three types of activities in the development of banking product strategies. These are developing and launching new products, developing variations in the quality of old products, developing additional models and forms for the old products. Innovations in the context of developing new banking products and services is considered important because there are still many forms of financial service that need to be developed to meet the growing needs of the business world and society in general. Product development strategy is part of the common strategy. There are potential benefits and risks from product development activities, and many factors cause an organization to consider developing a new product in a product development strategy. If Islamic banks are able to read the regional potentials and the needs of the population that have been owned by Islamic banking, then the development of Islamic banking product is a necessity for Islamic banks in the region to be able to answer the needs of the community. Product marketing strategy can be carried out with strategies aligned with mass media, such as radio, television, and print media, and even organizers, which can be in the form of exhibitions or expo, so that the product is widely known and the benefits are immediately felt by the wider community. For running their business, Sharia banks have five principles: the principle of profit sharing, the principle of pure savings, the principle of buying and selling, the principle of renting, and the principle of service. Until now, the provision of various kinds of products and service with different variations is still being developed. This effort can make Islamic banking an alternative to a credible banking system that can be enjoyed by all levels of Indonesian society without exceptions. Product innovation that is in line with meeting the needs of the community can give birth to a variety of bank products. And the last is conclusions. Characteristic of the operating Islamic banking system based on the principle of profit sharing provides an alternative system banking that is mutually beneficial to the community and bank, as well as Sharia banking in conducting their business activities based on Sharia principles, economic democracy, and the principle of prudence. Product development innovation is key for Islamic banking to be useful in this era because innovation has an important role in reaching and controlling the ever-changing market. And Sharia bank have five principles which is very important to be used in carrying out its activities and developing new products to present a variety of products that can be enjoyed by all Indonesian people. Enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.